So when I'm looking for something, or I'm looking for a student or some kind of student, I can use a lot of filter, and it really makes it easy to just find someone or just find some kind of thing that I'm looking for. It makes my life easier, that's for sure. Things like that, and I really like that I can do it like virtually there. So I put this student into this, I'm not saying box, but kind of like into this shelf and to this shelf. So it looks like I have like a whole room with different shelves, and I know where to look for this student. I think that's what I'm using the most when I have to look for someone, a certain person who did something or have this kind of achievement or have this kind of paper. And I really like that I can just filter and search in a quick way.